Today, we're going to draw and color a cute little princess together. First, let's make a simple outline for our princess. Color the crown bright yellow, then use golden yellow for her long, flowing hair. Next, let's color her face with a gentle peach color, keeping her smile warm. Now color her dress in a deep red. A big ruby skirt makes her look elegant and cute. You can change the dress color to blue, pink, or even rainbow. It's your magic. Look at our little princess. With her bright crown and red dress, she's as sweet as a fairy tale. A true princess shines with kindness in her heart.